Minasan, konnichiwa. So in today's lecture, we are going to see some of the basic verbs. So you all know what is the meaning of verbs. So verbs in English, it means actions. Whatever actions we are doing, those words are called as verbs. In the same way, in Japanese also, there are n number of verbs are available. So today we are going to see few verbs for about 14 verbs. Let us see one by one. So in this slide, you can read the Japanese word doshi. Doshi means verbs. So first slide, what is there in the picture? The small boy is eating something. So the verb for the Japanese eating is called as tabemasu. Tabemasu. So tabemasu is written here in hiragana. Tabemasu, it is written there on the top left. And on the right side, you are seeing a kanji symbol. This is the kanji symbol used for representing the tabemasu. Tabe symbol. Okay, tabe kanji symbol. So it has 9 strokes for tabemasu. And how these strokes are to be written, it was there in the animation. You can see it in the animation, how this tabemasu symbol is written. Kanji symbol is written. Okay, this is tabemas. Next one, in the picture, you can see the person in the picture is drinking something. So the Japanese verb for drinking is nomimas. So how to write it in hiragana? Nomimas. No, mi, ma, su. So nomimas. Nomimasu is written in this way. And the corresponding kanji is given here. And the animation is also showing you how to write the nomimasu kanji. So this particular kanji is having 12 strokes. So you have to write 12 strokes according to the number. You can write it. And if you are having some doubts, you can see the animation file, how this kanji is particularly written. So according to this particular order, 1 to 12, you have to write it. Okay. So even though writing is not necessarily needed now, at least by seeing the kanji, you should be able to recognize that it is the nomimasu kanji, nomi, which is for drinking, which is used for representing the drinking concept. And in the third slide, this person is watching the TV. He is seeing the TV, seeing, looking, watching, everything is coming like seeing. Okay. So the corresponding Japanese verb for seeing is mimasu. Mimasu. So you can see mimasu. Mimasu. So the corresponding kanji is also given here on the right side. And the animation is also showing you how to write this kanji. So 7 strokes are needed to write this kanji. If you have time, you can practice the kanjis. Otherwise, just by seeing the kanji, you should be able to memorize it and you should be able to recognize the kanji at every time. So you have to tell this kanji is for mimasu, which is seeing in English. And in the fourth slide, the fourth kanji we are going to see, and also the fourth verb. So in the picture, this small kid is reading something. He is reading something. Okay. So the Japanese verb for reading is yomimasu. Yomimasu. Yo, mi, ma, su. Yomimasu. Okay. So yomimasu kanji, the corresponding kanji is given in a bigger way. And also the animation is shown here, how to write this kanji. This particular kanji is having 14 strokes. 14 strokes. If you are able to practice it, you can practice it. If you are familiar with this kanji, you can very well write this kanji within 30 seconds. Practice is only needed. So yomimasu means reading in Japanese. And the next word is this particular boy is hearing a music. using the MP3 player. This boy is hearing a music. So the Japanese verb for music hearing is kikimasu. Kikimasu. Kikimasu means hearing. Kikimasu. 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 And the corresponding kanji is written here. This kanji is having totally 13 strokes. So you have to put 13 strokes in order to complete writing this kanji. And the animation is also showing you how to write this kanji. Okay. Very carefully you have to practice it. Right. So the next word is what she is doing. She is writing something. She is writing something. Some people will say that she is painting something, but she is writing something. So writing is the English verb. So the corresponding Japanese verb is kakimasu. Kakimasu, 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 kakimasu. So this particular kanji is the animation is shown here, and you can it has only horizontal lines and vertical strokes. So you can very well practice this kanji. Try to recognize this kanji once you see this. This is for kakimasu and for writing. It means writing. And the next kanji, next Japanese verb is what is there in the picture? They are buying something. They are buying something. By paying some amount, they are buying something. Okay. So the Japanese verb for buying is kaimasu. Kaimasu. Kaimasu is written here. Kaimasu. 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 Okay. And the corresponding kanji is given here. This particular kanji is having totally 12 strokes. Totally 12 strokes. See the kanji. Almost we have more horizontal strokes and two small vertical strokes and a small angled strokes. The next word is what this boy is doing. He is studying. He is having a notebook. He is having a pen. He is having an eraser. So he is studying. So the Japanese verb for studying is benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasu. And the corresponding kanji is mentioned here. This kanji is having totally 10 strokes. You can see number 1 to 10. Totally 10 strokes. Benkyo shimasu means studying. So what she is doing? She is playing tennis. So she is playing tennis. Okay. So in this case, this is a action which is done by this girl. So what you can do, we can just use shimasu for any kind of action. Shimasu. Tennisu wo shimasu. Tennisu wo shimasu. Tennis. This is an English word, tennis. Tennis is an English word. So the word tennis is changed according to the Japanese pronunciation, and it was called as tennis. That is why it was written in katakana. So those people who have studied the katakana, they will be able to read it. Tennis o shimasu. Tennis o shimasu. Shimasu is an action. Okay, so if she is playing, we can say tennis o shimasu, which means she is playing tennis. Now, what this lady is doing, she is going for a shopping and she is buying some groceries. Okay, so in this case also you can use the shimasu here. So what she is doing, she has bought many things. Okay, so in this case we can say kaimono o shimasu. Kaimono o shimasu. So she has brought some vegetables, things and all. Kaimono o shimasu. Okay, try to find out the kanji for kaimono. Okay. From the websites, you can try to identify kaimono. I will try to introduce the kanjis in another lecture video. Kaimono o shimasu. So here what this person is doing, this person is working. Okay, he is working in an office. So shigoto o shimasu. Shigoto, shigoto, shigoto o shimasu. He is working. Okay. So what this person is doing, he is going. He is going somewhere. Okay. Going. For going, it is ikimasu. The Japanese verb is ikimasu. Ikimasu. ikimasu, and the corresponding kanji is mentioned here. From the animation, you can very well practice how to write this kanji. Try to recognize this kanji. On seeing this itself, you have to recognize the kanji for iku kanji, ikimasu. Then here, the baby is coming towards the mother. Okay. The previous kanji is for going, and this is for coming. Okay, the baby is coming towards the mother. So kimasu. Kimasu is the Japanese kanji, and kimasu is the Japanese verb, and the corresponding kanji is mentioned here. This particular kanji is having totally 7 strokes. 7 strokes, and the animation is given here. So this is the kanji for kimasu, kimasu. Now next one, this person is returning back to the house. Returning back to the house after completing his job, he is returning back to the house. So the corresponding English verb is returning, and the corresponding Japanese verb is kaerimasu, kaerimasu. So it was written in hiragana, kaerimasu, kaerimasu, kaerimasu. And the corresponding kanji is mentioned here. It has totally 10 strokes. 10 strokes. So from the animation, you can practice it. So we have seen totally 14 Japanese verbs. All the pictures are again given here. By seeing the pictures, you should be able to recognize it. So one thing you should have understood, you should have seen all the Japanese verbs are ending with mas. I hope you have noticed this. So go back and see all the words. All the words are mentioned here with ending here with mas. What is this kanji? What is this picture saying? He is going. So ikimasu. Then this one is kaimasu. This one is kakimasu. This one is kaimono wo shimasu. This one is returning back. So kaerimasu. This one is he is studying. So this one is benkyo shimasu. This one is she is playing tennis. So tenisu wo shimasu. This one he is eating, so tabemasu. He is hearing the music, so kakimasu. Sorry, kikimasu. And he is doing some job. He is doing the work, so shigoto wo shimasu. So this baby is coming towards the mother, so kimasu. He is drinking, so nomimasu. He is reading, so yomimasu. He is seeing the TV, so mimasu. So all these actions are positive sentences, positively doing. They are doing something positive. Same thing if it is negative. He is not going. He is not buying. She is not writing. So all these things are negative things. So in that case, what we have to do? Present or future tense. So in the case of present or future tense, how to frame the sentence? Object plus this is one particle. There are several particles available in Japanese, just like in English we have is, the, and all those things. Same way in Japanese also there are many particles available. Regarding particles, a separate lecture will be given. So object plus particle plus verb with the mass you have to write. So how will you frame a sentence? I will do something and I do something. So what you have to do? Banana o tabemasu. This is an example. What is banana? Banana is an English word. Banana is written in katakana here. Banana. Banana o tabemasu. Banana o tabemasu. So this is a positive sentence. Ends with masu. So I eat a banana. I will eat a banana. So for both cases, you can try to say banana wo tabemasu. If somebody is asking you, did you eat banana? Banana wo tabemasu. Like that, you have to say the answer. Suppose if there are any actions which is also having a movement verb. Okay, movement verb. What do you mean by movement verb? Something is moving. Something thing is moving or somebody is moving, then you have to use a in that case in the place of o. So verbs of movement don't use particle o, but need a particle a. So in English, meaning to, towards something. A is pronounced as a as in elephant. In elephant, how we pronounced e? A, elephant, elephant. Okay. So object plus you have to replace the O particle with a plus the movement verb with masu form. So example, gakko ye ikimasu. Gakko ye ikimasu. What is gakko in Japanese? Gakko means school. So I go to school. I will go to school. Okay. I will go to school or I go to school. So gakko ye ikimasu. I am going to school, like that. Okay. So negative sentences, when it comes to negative sentences, you have to replace the masu with masen. You have to replace the masu with masen. So in that case, object plus particle plus masu. Replace the masu with masen. Okay. So banana wo tabemasan. Banana wo tabemasan. I don't eat banana. I won't eat banana. Like this will come. So banana o tabemasen. I don't eat a banana. So mas has to be replaced with masen. Also in movement verbs, negatives are formed by changing the mas to masen, object plus particle plus verb. Okay, verb here is masen. Gakkoye ikimasen. The same example previously in one of the previous slide we have seen Gakkoye ikimasu. So su is replaced with sen. So in this case, the person is not going to school. So I don't go to school. I won't go to school. So if a sentences has to be said, then in that case you have to say ikimasen. Gakkoye ikimasen. So all these verbs are crossed, which means the negative form. So all the negative forms will be replaced with masan here. Now, if it is past tense, okay, the previous things are present tense. If it is past tense, in that case, what we have to do? In that case, the past tense, masu has to be changed as mashita, mashita. Okay, if it is a past tense, I did something. I already did something. Object plus particle plus verb to be written as mashita. Banana wo tabemashita. I already ate. I ate a banana. It's a past tense sentence, right? Banana wo tabemashita. Like that, you have to replace and write. Past tense negative means masu will be changed as masen. So object plus particle shita plus verb masen de. Masen de. So you have to write banana wo tabemasen deshita. Banana wo tabemasten deshita. Banana wo tabemasen deshita. I did not eat a banana. So in the case of past tense also negative sentence possible. So banana wo tabemasen deshita. Okay, so you can identify here for Mashita, there are some things, some photographs here. Masan Deshita, there are some photographs here. So for each photograph, you have to change. You have to try to write a sentence using Mashita and Masan Deshita. That is the homework for you. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Arigato gozaimasu.